Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. May 18th, we're going to look at some technical analysis. We're going to look at SPY, see where it's going. We've got JPOW tomorrow. We'll look at some barbecue, BBYQ, GME, these small caps that are running. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Money sticks around. Follow us on Twitter at HappyMoneyYT. As well as our Discord server. Link for those are in the description. Been a bit since I've done a recap video, so been streaming every day though, and you can follow me on there. Same channel, just notification bell so you know when we go live. SPY's been in this consolidation really for like a couple months now, and yesterday it was starting to kind of short squeeze a bit on Nvidia and a few others, and really pushing the SPY up. We've got Jerome Powell tomorrow. Today is kind of a breakout day. I think it might be a false breakout, starting to teeter around here. We'll see tomorrow basically with Powell at 11 o'clock what goes on there, but if it can hold up here and start to consolidate above this 416.50 range, I think we could see some big upside days on SPY. 420, 425, which sucks for me because I'm in some shorts on the futures right now. But yeah, yesterday was a big move up on SPY right here, making that nice just intraday bull flag. And I guess that was started from, I don't know, I saw a tweet saying it was started from a bunch of SPX 0-date contracts that just got opened, and oh, I don't know. But anyways, very squeezy, consolidated nice, and they had a little breakout and popping around a bit. This kind of triple RSI divergence here that signified a sell-off, and that sell-off in a VWAP, and then support from yesterday's high. Bounce here, and now we're back up to the highs of the day. So maybe a little triple top here. I don't know. Last 30 minutes get kind of wild. So might see new high, might see it sell back off. Really depends on Powell tomorrow. GME along with that. This thing's been melting up solidly for like 2 weeks. Picked up momentum in the last few days. We kind of called this out. I think I did a video on it. But yeah, marked this RSI divergence, signifying a bottom here on GME back in beginning of this month. And I went long back here, and I was hoping for a gap fill when it was coming down, but never quite made it. Went long, I think this day or this day. Yeah. Also had that hammer candle, which is bullish, and it's kind of slowly gone up. Not GME squeeze like go up, but slowly gone up, and then consolidated some. And I actually closed out of a lot of my long positions before this bigger rally, unfortunately, but still very small on GME land. So I think GME's probably still fixed, and may not see anything special for OPEX tomorrow and into T+2 for next week. Hopefully I'm wrong and we get a crazy move on Tuesday. I could see it kind of continue to rally, maybe that 24 level, which was support back here, and breaks that. Say 27, like 30 range would be the next resistance. Really, to me, it depends on just how it gets there. If it's slow and mellow, it's not a great trade, I guess. Still good, but as far as percentage-wise and in the time frame, it's not doing a whole lot for the options basically. IV is still very low, which is good if you're buying them if you expect a big move, but bad for selling them, and bad if you don't get a big move. So yeah, see what happens with GME. Don't see anything topping out yet. Looks like it's maybe slowing down a little bit today, but really could continue tomorrow. Yeah, see what happens. We get to that 24. Barbecue, kind of the same deal. It's been bullish. It's been a bullish uptrend ever since it entered OTC. Traded on and off, kind of in and out. Everything from this inverted head and shoulders we had to this cup and handle, up and then handle here, and we're kind of starting to break out of that right now. I'm not as bullish on it before a catalyst at this point. Seems like the trade and the momentum's kind of slowed down. So those like 20-30% days we had before, I don't know if we're going to have much of that still until, again, some sort of catalyst or news. Could be wrong, but we'll see. Momentum's still there. Everything looks good. Like, yeah, nice today. Today was kind of interesting. First day really dipped out of the open and then bounced back up into a consolidation range and then rallied at the end of the day. So a new price action today. And being a Thursday, it's kind of interesting that it's not starting to sell off, where typically you get a sell off maybe Thursday, but usually Thursday or Friday. So I'll see if this thing sells off some on Friday. Maybe if we have a gap up, I'm not sure. But we've got some levels here. 19, let's kind of where this line is, right? Kind of a level I'd like to see it hold. Support of the barcode from that day. If it will, though. If not, 1832 would be a nice level to hold. And yeah, there's still gaps to the upside, so move up to 30 cents would fill that next gap. And after that one, we have a gap at 60 cents. So I think most of the risk basically of the play will be over by the end of the month, because we'll know whether or not I think shareholders are going to have any value, and whether your shares are going to be worth what they're going to be worth, if it's zero or a lot. So I'll probably continue to kind of reduce risk and trade it some as the trade kind of starts to die off and seem like there's less tradable opportunities coming into the announcements the rest of this month and into the end of the month. Probably just reduce some exposure. No reason for me to just roll the dice into them giving us a lot for our shares as shareholders. We're the bottom on the totem pole in bankruptcy, so we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, some good trade opportunities, still pretty liquid, and if you're paying commissions, getting in and out and everything. So yeah. Other stocks that are up today, I'll show you guys the options in the shares I did actually sell. I sold some barbecue today, and you guys can thank me for my sacrifice. This is the second day where I've sold and it's rallied, so yeah, that's just what I do for you guys, the community. I can't remember the other day. Was it this day? I don't know. But it was for a profit. I just sold in here, seeing we're coming into Friday. Might see a sell-off. Saw a little head and shoulders here forming, but it broke out of it and broke out to the upside. So just sold some of my position. Still have plenty to go. And I need it actually for margin. Part of the reason I sold. But yeah, other movers kind of been pointing out here on stream. Apron, blue apron, nice bottom formation, a ton of volume. Green over the 9 moving average, we got bullish MACD. Yeah, just gapping and going on this one. Looking at the top of my watch list here, you guys can see. Yeah, I got an RSI divergence here on Groupon, and it's rallying now too. Good volume. Same bullish MACD. It's above these resistances here. Have this gap fill at 480. I think we'll probably get filled. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe after some consolidating. GTI even made a move up today. Kind of a historical support here from here and then back here. So bouncing on that. Not sure if this will continue or not though. There's still a gap down here. GFAI, AI stocks moved today. GFAI, CXAI, Upstart has been ripping. Palantir even. Aptera, Netflix was up. Netflix up almost 10% today, so that's on the news of their tiered 5 million users on their ad tiered program. So a lot of squeezy stuff moving, a lot of small caps, a lot of risk on. XXII even has a little RSI divergence there. Might be looking good. So yeah, that's the TA. Those are the stocks we're kind of following a bit. Here's my futures that I'm down on. So yep, that's the short I'm holding, and that's causing me some margin issues. I had to sell some barbecue for that reason. Yep, here it is. There's my sacrifice, my daily sacrifice to the barbecue gods. Putting them up on the barbecue. 20,000 shares. MU put, Nvidia put. Yep, those are going to be worthless. Tomorrow is OPEX, so could see some big moves. Regardless, we probably will, because Jerome Powell's in the morning at 11. But futures are expiring, swaps, all sorts of derivatives. I think probably triple witching. Might not be actually. Not sure, but it is an OPEX. And then, yeah, I guess that's all I did on there. And then on my other account, I still have 40,000 shares on this account, and then 20,000 on my other account. So plenty of exposure to the old barbecue. Whatever it brings. Like I said, I'll probably dump on it. I'll probably be scaling out as this becomes less attractive as far as trades go, before too much of a catalyst comes out. It's good. Then I'll maybe grab back in bigger position once we get some confirmation of a good buyer or something. But that's what I got. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.